Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to use Axiom Trade. First, about the Axiom Trade website on your PC, make sure to log into your account. At the bottom left corner, click on Preset. It'll show you the box of trading settings. Now, it'll give you Preset 1, Preset 2 and Preset 3 options. In Buy settings, set slippage as 20, priority as 0.001 and price as 0.001. In Sell settings, set slippage as 40, priority as 0.001 and price as 0.001. You'll find different options at the top. Then, click on Pulse and you'll see different options here. Here, click on Buy Pop and you can select the Buy or Sell option. It'll show you the trackers and perpetuals options that you can use. In perpetual, choose long or short as per your choice. Then, you'll find TP or SL and mark a dot on it. Now, enter the TP price and SL price along with the percentages and hit Add More Funds. After that, click Rewards and you'll see all the rewards. On top, hit the deposit button and select any cryptocurrency. You'll get the deposit address that you can copy easily. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.